Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the prime factors of number 256 using prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we divide numbers using prime numbers and find their factors. So we'll be finding the factors of 256 and we'll be writing it in exponent form. So as 256 is an even number, it is easily divisible by first prime number 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. Again we can divide 128 by 2, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. So the number 256 is fully divided. The prime factors of 256 will be all the numbers which are written on the left hand side of the ladder. So 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times 2 are the prime factors of 256. Or in exponent form, we can write it as 256 is 2 raised to power 8. So this is how we find the prime factors of any number using prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.